Etobicoke Centre.
Thank you, Speaker. My question is for the Minister of Children and Youth Services. Minister, I know that every year in May we celebrate Children's Mental Health Week. Doctors, mental health workers, parents and advocates take this week to increase awareness of the signs of children and youth facing mental health challenges in their lives, work on ending the stigma around mental health issues, and helping children and youth understand the places they go to receive treatment. In fact, Minister, this past Monday I had the opportunity to join a number of leaders in children's mental health from Etobicoke, Eva Dazinski from Etobicoke Children's Centre, Jane Bray from the George Hall Centre, and Barb McDonald at an event to celebrate Children's Mental Health Week. Minister, could you share with us how the government is recognizing Children's Mental Health Week this year?
Thank you. Minister of Children and Youth Services.
Thank you, Speaker, and I appreciate the question from the member during Children's Mental Health Week. Fantastic. Speaker, je suis fière de l'attention que notre gouvernement porte sur le métier de santé mentale des jeunes et des adolescents. Non seulement cette semaine, mais année après année. Speaker, our government has a strong record of increasing investments in children and mental health services. In fact, more than $440 million last year. We are improving treatment to children and families so they get at the right time and close to where they live. And just yesterday, I was at Sketch, a creative space that gives opportunities to street-involved youth, to announce our support for a program for the Toronto Homelessness Youth Transition Collaborative that will provide wraparound mental health services to some of our most at-risk youth. All these focus on getting children the right support when they need it. Thank you.
Supplementary.
Thank you, Minister. And the program you spoke about sounds like it will help vulnerable youth who may not have other supports really get the focus and care they need to get back on their feet. Mr. Speaker, it's been great to see the interest in Children's Mental Health Week this year. I can speak from that firsthand based on the event I attended on Monday. We know that when our children and youth are happy and healthy, they have the conditions to thrive. Mr. Speaker, could the government let this House know of any other investments it has made this week for our Children's Mental Health Week?
Thank you. Minister.
Minister of Health and Long-Term Care.
Minister of Health and Long-Term Care.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. And first, I want to thank all MPPs from all parties who came out Monday on the front steps of the legislature for the formal launch of the mental health bus, which is an important service for youth in York region, Mr. Speaker. But I want to also talk about an event that Minister McCharles and I joined on Tuesday to announce that we're investing more than $5 million to support a new facility within Youthdale here in Toronto that has inpatient beds specifically targeted for teens between the ages of 16 and 19. And once construction is complete, Mr. Speaker, this facility is going to provide 10 additional beds and care for approximately 175 young people who are dealing with complex mental health challenges each year. And on top of that, we're also helping Youthdale provide a day program for youth with difficult mental health challenges that will help more than 6,000 youth annually through that facility. Through the mental health and addiction strategy, we're working to ensure our children and youth have the supports they need at such a critical time in their lives.